What's happening, guys? Welcome to Badge 3D. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to 3D print a set of Wolverine claws and then how to finish those and get those as screen accurate as possible. Let's get into it.
Okay, so the first thing we need to do is get an STL file. Now there's thousands and thousands and thousands of free STL files out there on the internet. Today I'm going to use My Mini Factory. I'll put some links down below to other websites where you can get free files from. So here we are, Wolverine Claws Wearable, and that one is by Mr. Kirby Downey. Alright, so we'll go and download that one. Cool. Now, so we're going to put this into the slicing software. I use Simplify 3D. So as you can see there, I've set my primary layer height to 250 microns. I'm going to set my infill to 15%, that should be enough. Alright, I think everything else should be fine here. That should do. In hindsight, I probably should have made the layer height 150 microns or 200 microns. I had to do a little bit more sanding on some of the edges. They were a little bit rougher because I did such a large layer height. Obviously, the larger the layer height, the less detail you're going to have with your print. So what you're really sacrificing is print time. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to import here the holder. As you can see, there's the holes for the claws themselves. Now I'm going to generate support material for those because there are overhangs over 45 degrees. So it will need just a little bit of support. Alright, and we'll save that one to the disk. And we should be good to go.
Guys, thanks so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. If not, please let me know in the comments. Until next time, catch.